How to edit photo with ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And you can literally do it very easily, whether you're on a phone or whether you're on a PC desktop as well. All you want to do is go over to the ChatGPT website. You can do it through the application as well, but if you don't have the application, just go over to chatgpt.com. Now, before we do that, as you can see, I have my image right here. If I go ahead and open it up, it's like an old image. So let's say I want to go ahead and enhance this. What I want to do is just drag and drop it into ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this smaller so we can just drag and drop it. But you can also press this plus icon and then press add files as well. So, you have two options to go about doing it. But all I want to do is drag and drop this. It says add anything, drop any file here. So go ahead and drop it. Now, once it's dropped, it's going to register that it's dropped. And I'm just going to say something like enhance this image as much as possible. Right, so once you do that, all you got to do is press this little thing to enter it. And then once you go ahead and do that, it's just going to be analyzing the image depending on how big your image is, like the file size and how complex of a task it is, depending on how much it needs to be enhanced. It might take a bit longer. It also obviously depends on your internet and ChatGPT servers, but then eventually it's going to show you exactly what it can do. So as you can see, now it's done it. It says I've enhanced your image by upscaling it, improving contrast and clarity, sharpening details, slight noise reduction while keeping the vintage feel. So you can just literally press this download the enhanced image button right here. And then you can even go further if you want to as well. You can also give it direction where you can say actually make it a little less modern or anything like that as well. And yeah, it's as simple as that.